guys, I have been craving fried potatoes with macaroni and tomatoes and cornbread. And I'm gonna make me some. I've got my potatoes over here, getting ready to fry. Cut them up, just diced them. I've got a pot of water over here bringing to boil. I'm gonna add, when it comes to boil, my elbow macaroni. Cook those till tender. It says about, let's see, 8 minutes, because I like mine really cooked. And then we'll drain the water off, and I've got a can of diced tomatoes and some tomato juice. I'll probably add about half a can. It will absorb the longer it sets, so you could add more to it if you want to, and some salt and pepper, and maybe a little bit of oil. But I'll tell you, this was one of those struggle meals growing up. It fed a lot, it went a long way. Mom always had potatoes or dried beans or pasta or rice. Those were things that really went far. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I'll show you what I'm gonna do next and show you our plates at the end. Okay, I have some baking drippings. I just went ahead and melted it in the microwave and put it in my potatoes. My water's came up to boil, so I'm gonna add about that much macaroni and let it boil until tender. I need to add a little bit more, actually. It's late, guys. We've had a contractor here working, and we had some snags. So he's got to come back Saturday and do some more. But we're getting it. We're getting it. It's going to be a mess in the background for a while. You can see some back there in my dining room. We did get it painted. We've got the beadboard cut to go up, and then there's a lot going on over there. We'll make some cornbread. I don't make cornbread very often, you all, but I am today. I'm gonna add an egg. I'm going to add a little bit of self-rising flour. And I'm going to add some buttermilk. It takes about 20 minutes for your cornbread to cook at 450 in an iron skillet. That's what my mom and dad taught me to make. My cornbread and my biscuits at 450 in an iron skillet. Sorry about that. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hang out with me. Got my iron skillet with some oil in it. I'm going to put it in my oven to get hot. Got my potatoes going. Got my macaroni boiling. So it won't take long. We'll have dinner ready. Okay, our potatoes, I'm just going to turn all the way down to low because my cornbread hasn't went in the oven yet. And these are going to be about done. Which I like my potatoes really not crispy, almost mushy. I know that's weird, but that's the way I like them. What are y'all having for dinner tonight? And I've got my pasta over here cooking away, which I haven't been timing, but when you cook as long as I have, you'll figure it out. I've got my diced tomatoes open and my can of tomato juice, which I don't know how much I'll need yet. I've got my cornbread batter made up. And dinner's gonna come together really quick. Okay, our macaronis are finished cooking. I've got my diced tomatoes I'm pouring in. And then I'm gonna pour in, and I drained all the water off. I'm gonna pour in some tomato juice. And this is really to your preference. I like mine really soupy, but do it however you like it. All right, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And then we're gonna add a secret ingredient. Let me know if you know what it is. Some pepper and some salt. Just a minute and I'll get it and I'll show you. Growing up, Mommy always put a little bit of granulated sugar in her macaroni and tomatoes because it's so tangy and acidic that sugar neutralizes that, and it just gives it the best flavor. And you know what? It definitely tastes like the secret ingredient. So my Mommy was onto something for sure. All right. You know what would be good with this too? Some cream style corn, but I don't have any and I'm not fixing any. Too many carbs. But it's okay, because I want something good to eat. All right, cornbread's in the oven, and it won't be long, we'll be eating. Okay guys, here's our dinner. Macaroni and tomatoes, fried potatoes, cornbread, some beets, and buttermilk with salt and pepper. Tell me in the comments, how do you like your buttermilk? Or do you like buttermilk? This meal absolutely hit the spot. It's exactly what I was craving. It was delicious and so much nostalgia.